Okay, so far we discussed about binomial distribution. We solved problems on binomial distribution. And while discussing about binomial distribution, we have said in the properties that binomial distribution tends to become Poisson distribution when the value of n is very large and the value of p is very small. So when it happens in a problem that the value of n is very large and the value of p is very small, then it tends to become Poisson distribution. That means we need to make use of Poisson distribution. So let us know what is Poisson distribution. So in statistics, Poisson distribution is a discrete probability distribution that can be used to show how many times an event is likely to occur in within a specified period of time at a regular interval. How many times an event is likely to occur? For example, maybe the number of printing mistakes per page, uh, per page, number of typing mistakes per page, number of accidents occurring in a city in a day, like that. To calculate these, we make use of Poisson distribution. That is why it is also called as count distribution. It is a count distribution. So it is given by the French mathematician Simon Denis Poisson. It's a discrete function that the variable can only take specific values in a list. So there cannot be fractions or decimals in case of discrete distribution. So now let us see the examples of Poisson distribution. ಈ Poisson distribution ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? So number of deaths occurring in a city in a day, number of road accidents occurring in a city in a day, number of incoming telephone calls per minute, number of vehicles crossing a particular junction per minute, number of printing mistakes per page. These are some of the examples of Poisson distribution. Okay, so moving on to the properties of Poisson distribution, we have already said it's a discrete distribution. So you know the difference between discrete and continuous distribution, that in case of continuous distribution there can be fractions and decimals, so there comes a class range, lower range and upper limit, so 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like that. But in case of discrete distribution, the variables will have a fixed value, and the very important parameter of Poisson distribution is mean, and this is represented by the symbol lambda. Okay, this is the symbol used to represent the parameter lambda. Then the probability mass function, that's the formula we use to calculate the Poisson distribution, is P of x is equal to E so it is e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power x divided by x factorial. So here lambda means mean, average. X is, so here where x is equal to, it starts from 0 and continues to any number. The value of E is constant, that is 2.71828. Lambda means the mean number of events in a given interval. So in case of Poisson distribution, the mean and the variance are the same. And to find the standard deviation, we have to take the root of mean or root of variance. So for a Poisson distribution, mean and variance are the same, are equal. And Poisson distribution tends to become normal distribution if lambda is very large, when lambda is equal to infinity. Okay. So this is the Poisson distribution table. We need this table to find out the value. So in the formula we have seen there will be e to the power minus lambda. Okay. So if the mean comes around 2 or 4, let us say e is constant to the power 2. So when e is lambda value is 2, e raised to the power minus 2, then we'll take this value. So here you can see 2 and its value is 0.1353. If it is e to the power minus 4, then here there is 4, the value is 0.0183. So to find the value of e to the power minus lambda, we make use of this table, that is Poisson distribution table. Okay. So moving on to the next, here is a problem. On an average, a box contains 2 defective items. Find the probability that a randomly selected box has no defective items. First question. The second is at least 2 defective items. On an average, a box contains 2 defective items. ಸರಾಸರಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುವ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನುವ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಸೊ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ 2 ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನುವ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ 2 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರಾಗಿ ಸರಾಸರಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ 2 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಅಂದಾಜು. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸನ್ನು ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 2 ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಾವ್ರೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಾವ್ರೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಮೀನ್. ಸೊ ದ ಮೀನ್ ವಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಲಾಮ್ಡಾ. ಸೊ ಲಾಮ್ಡಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು, 2. Okay. Find the probability that a randomly selected box has no defective items. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x is equal to 0. Okay. So now the problem is, the formula is p of x is equal to 0, e to the power minus lambda. So e to the power minus lambda, lambda value is to 2 into lambda is 2 to the power x value is 0. Okay. So whole divided by so e to the power minus lambda, lambda value is 2 into 2 to the power x value 0 divided by 0 factorial. So e to the power minus 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? So we have to see the table. So minus 2 is here, 0.1353. So the value is here, that is 0.1353. So 0.1353 is here into 2 to the power 0. So the value of 2 to the power 0 is 1. Okay. So divided by 0 factorial, the value is 1. So it will give you the value 0.1353. So 0.1353 into 100, so that you will get 13.53%. ಸೊ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 13.53%. Okay, so the probability that a randomly selected box will not have any defective items or zero defective items is 0.1353 or 13.53%. So we'll move on to the next part, that is the second part. At least two defectives. At least two defectives andre, so minimum two defectives, then it can go on increasing. Two defectives kanishta irbeka, ಆಮೇಲೆ it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5 or 2 up to any number. So we do not know up to what maximum number it is. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು 2. ಸೊ 2 ಇಂದ ಅದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2. ಸೊ 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 ಹೀಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಈಸ್, ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ starting from 2. So instead we calculate the probability of the box having 0 defectives and the probability that the box can have 1 defective item. So x is equal to ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರದೇ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿತೇವೆ. ಇದು ಟೋಟಲನ್ನು 1ಇಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ 0 defectives in the box plus the probability of the box containing 1 defective item. So then we add the 2, minus it or subtract it from 1, so that we'll get the probability of at least 2 defective items in the box. So that is why we have taken here 1 minus probability of 0 defective plus probability of 1 defective. So P of 0 is equal to e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power x divided by x factorial. So lambda value you know 2. So x lambda value is 2, x is 0, so 0 factorial. Then if we take p of x is 1, that is equal to e to the power minus lambda value is 2 into 2 to the power 1, x value is 1 divided by x factorial, that is 1 factorial. So you can see here. Okay, so now 1 minus, so e to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 to the power 0 ಅಂದರೆ e to the power minus 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು, e to the power minus 2 value is equal to 0.1353 into 2 to the power 0 is 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1. So you get the value 0.1353. Okay, then if you calculate this, that will be e to the power minus 2 is equal to 0.1353 into 2 to the power 1 is 2, so it is 2 divided by 1 factorial, so that is equal to 0.2706. Okay, then you have to minus 1 minus this plus this, that is 0.4059, that is equal to 0.5941. Okay, so the probability of getting at least two defective items in the box is 0.5941. So that is into 100 you will get 59.41%. ಸೊ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ 2 ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತವೆ? 59.41%. ಓಕೆ, so we'll move on to the next case. So in this, it has been found that on an average 4 patients visit on an average 4 patients visit a particular doctor during 1 hour. What is the probability that during a particular hour more than 2 patients visit the doctor? So here lambda is equal to mean, that is average, that is 4. So lambda value is 4 and x value is 2, more than 2. So x value is more than 2, greater than 2. So this is the formula. So now e to the power minus lambda. So lambda value is e to the power minus 4. So if you check to the Poisson distribution table, this value is equal to 0.0183. Okay, so substitute the values in the formula. 0.0183 and lambda okay, so this is the value. Now what we have to do is probability of more than 2 patients. So more than 2 patients, again it may be more than 2 means it starts from 3. It may be 3 patients, 4, 5, 10, 15. It can be increasing like that. So what we have to do is, ನಮಗೆ 2ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಂದರೆ 3ರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, probability of 0 patients visiting the doctor plus probability of 1 patient visiting the doctor plus probability of 2 patient visiting the doctor. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟೀಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಇದನ್ನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ we'll deduct it from 1. We subtract it from 1 so that we'll get the probability of more than 2 patients visiting the doctor. So what we have to do, 1 so 1 minus probability of 0 patients plus probability of 1 patient plus probability of 2 patients visiting the doctor. So for each p of x value we have to write the formula. So p of 0 is equal to e to the power minus 4 into 4 to the power 0 divided by 0 factorial. So you can see here. So that will be equal to 0.0183. 4 to the power 0 is 1. 0 factorial is 1. Okay. Then p of x is equal to 1. That is equal to e to the power minus 4 into 4 to the power 1 divided by 1 factorial. So you can see here. Okay. Then p to the p of x is 2, that is equal to e to the power minus 4 into 4 to the power 2 divided by 2. So that will be like this. 0.0183 into 4 to the power 2 means 16. 4 into 4, 16 divided by 2. So when you calculate these values, you will get 1 minus 0.0183 plus 0.0732 plus 0.01464. Okay. So probability of zero patients visiting the doctor, that is 0.0183 plus probability of one patient visiting the doctor 0.0732 plus probability of two patients visiting the doctor, that is 0.1464. So the total of these is 0.2379. So this is what. So 1 minus 0.2379, that will give you 0.7621. So 0.7621 into 100, that is equal to 76%. So what is the probability that during a particular hour more than 2 patients visit the doctor? ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 76.21%. So we'll move on to the third illustration. On an average, a typist makes 2 mistakes per page. ಒಬ್ಬ ಟೈಪಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸರಾಸರಿ 2 ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ probability that a page typed by him has, first question, 2 mistakes, second at most 1 mistake. So ಸರಾಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಟೈಪಿಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಒಂದು ಪೇಜನ್ನು ನೀವು ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಗರಿಷ್ಠ 1 ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಸ್ 2. ಓಕೆ, lambda value is 2 per page. Then e to the power minus 2 according to Poisson distribution table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ. So the formula, you know the formula here. So the first question is probability of x 2. So x value is 2. So now you substitute the values in the formula, that is e to the power minus lambda into lambda andre 2, lambda value is 2 to the power x value is 2 divided by x factorial, that is 2 factorial. Okay, so that is what here. So e to the power minus 2 value is this much. 2 into 2 square, so that is 4 divided by 2, you will get the value this much. So So 0.2706 into 100, you will get the percentage, that is 27.06%. So what is the probability? ಒಂದು ಪೇಜನ್ನು ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಟೈಪಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0.2706 ಆರ್ 27% ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಅಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದ್ದರೂ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ it includes the probability of 0 mistakes, ಏನೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಮತ್ತು probability of 1 mistake. ಎಟ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್, ಗರಿಷ್ಠ, ಎಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಎಟ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗರಿಷ್ಠ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ probability of less than or equal to 1. ಒಂದಾಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು. probability of x is 0 and p of x is equal to 1. So if we add this 2, we'll get the probability of typist making at most 1 mistake. So it includes probability of 0 mistakes and 1 mistake. So then we apply the formula. So for 0 mistake, x value is 0. Wherever in the formula x value comes, you have to substitute with 0. So here it is, e to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power 0 divided by 0 factorial. So e to the power minus 2, you know the value, 2 to the power 0 equals 1, 0 factorial equals 1. Then when p value is 1, x value is 1, so e to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power x value is 1 divided by x factorial, that is 1 factorial, and the value is this much. So if you add this, you will get, so probability of 0 mistakes plus probability of 1 mistake, that is equal to this much. So if you multiply it with 100, you will get the percentage. So the probability that the typist makes at the most 1 mistake is 40.59%. Okay, go through this. If you have any doubts, you can ask.